How to use Perplexity AI for instant summaries. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser. You can either use Google Chrome or Brave for this. Go to the search bar and type in Perplexity and click on the first link that appears. Now you will land to perplexity.ai. Here you will see a search bar in the center of the web page. Simply search for anything that you'd like. After searching for it, you can press enter or click on the blue arrow at the bottom of the search bar. That will send your request and the AI will give you answers. The good thing about this application is that it feels like Google. You have your answers and your images section. In the images section, you will see all the related pictures about your search. Along with that, there are also sections like sources and steps. If you scroll down in the answer section, you will see the related questions. You can also add follow-up questions to do a deep research. Let's see when you can use Perplexity for instant summaries. You can use this for breaking news, study help, tech explanation, and comparisons. Comparisons such as Tesla versus BYD electric cars. So that's all for today. Thank you.